Okay, so you've been given some music. At the start, there's two different numbers. It's top number, bottom number. Let's break down what both those numbers mean and how we can apply that into our music. So, when we talk about meter, two numbers at the start, we've got the top number and the bottom number that both mean different things. The bottom number determines the note value that we're going to be playing, whether it's 4 being quarter notes or crotchets, or we've got 8 being eighth notes or quavers. The top number determines how many of those we have in each bar. So, let's take 3/4 as an example. Bottom note being 4 means we've got quarter notes, and the top number 3 means we've got 3 of those quarter notes per bar. So it's bar 2 3 bar 2 3. That's 3/4. Let's have a look at 6/8. So that means we've got eighth notes and we've got 6 of them in a bar. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, it's that easy then. So now we can go off and go about our days, knowing everything there is to know about meter. But it's not quite that simple, is it? Now, with our meter, there's these things called subdivisions, how we break down the pulse. So you may look at 3/4 and 6/8, because there's 2 quarter notes per crotchet. 3/4 and 6/8 are the same. But you'll notice I added different accents when I was counting them out earlier. Bar 2 3 bar 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is because of how we subdivide things. So typically we get simple meter and compound meter. Simple meter meaning we subdivide into 2, and compound meaning we subdivide into 3. So typically, if it's 4 on the bottom, we're subdividing into 2. And if it's 8 on the bottom, we're subdividing into 3. So 2/4, that means there's 2 quarter notes. And there's 4 eighth notes. So we count it 1 and 2 and 3/4, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. Then if we look at 6/8, that's 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you noticed how I put the accent on 1 and 4 with that, opposed to 1, 3 and 5. That's pretty interesting, isn't it? So there we have it. Everything we need to know about meter. Right? Again, it's not quite that simple. So sometimes we get these things called odd meter, where it doesn't easily divide up. So within 5/8, there's 5 eighth notes within the bar. That much we get. That's easy to understand. How do we break it down? So 5, we split it off into a group of 3 and a group of 2. Always 2s and 3s. It makes everything so much more simple in the long run. So back to 5. Group of 2 and a group of 3. So we can count that as 1 2 3 4 5, or we can count it as 1 2 3 4 5, and it all depends on the feel that we want to create. We can have it so that that last little bit lasts a little longer, or we can have it be a little bit quicker, and we can use that to our advantage when writing. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So there we have it, the basics of meter. With this, you can go and you understand the timing of almost every piece of music that you'll be given. Okay, this really is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.